Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to ICT classes. Hope everybody is fine. Today, we will be discussing Chapter 5 Collecting Information, Task 3 Create a Database. Requirements of today's lesson: computer with Windows 10 operating system, Microsoft Excel 2019, headphones. Create a database. So we have heard about what is a database, what is field, what is record, and everything. So in today's class we are going to create a database. Okay, now it is time to create your own database. The first thing you have to do is to decide what kind of information you want to include. So that is the first point that we have to remember, what kind of information that you want to include in your database. So in the previous lesson we were discussing about the school database, and inside that school database there was a students table, there was teachers table, and the information about all the students are there and information about all the teachers are there, yeah, in that database. So in today's class we have to first think of what information, what kind of information that we want to include in these databases. Okay, think of a think of the characteristic you want to collect for each record and give them a title or field name. So first thing is thinking what will be your topic, that is what are the information that you should include in your database that you are going to create. Microsoft Excel. Although there are various programs for database management, we are using Microsoft Excel. So we are basically using Microsoft Excel software for the database. In order to create databases or for the database management, we are going to use the software Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is used to create database table in a very simple way. So it is the most easiest way of creating databases by using Microsoft Excel. Address book database. So I'm going to create, I thought about the databases and I'm going to create a database for address book. I'm going to create a address book database here. Okay, let's create an address book database for your friends information. So I will include all my friends information here in this database. Okay, so the field names, what are the field names? I'm going to include name, telephone, that is a mobile number, home address, email address, birthday, hobby. So whatever you want, you can add it, or if you don't want the home address, you can take it away. It's okay. It is totally up to you. So I'm going to do this all 6. Okay, it will be address database with all these fields, all the 6 fields. Okay, so to create a database table, the steps, these are the steps to create a database table. First step is open a empty spreadsheet. So you guys know how to open Microsoft Excel from the start menu, right? That is the first step. Now the second step, type the database field names horizontally in different cells. Step 3, select the whole row by clicking the row number. Step 4, click the bold button to make the title stand out. Step 5, now add one record for each of our friends. Every record must have information about the 6 different fields. So I will show you. It is much better if I'm showing you guys. So those who want to know the steps, you can read it. You can pause the video right here and you can start reading it. And now I will show you how it is being done. So I'm going to minimize this one. And here, this is our desktop as usual, and here at the bottom corner we have the start button. So we are going to press the start button. Here E, go to E, we found the Excel. Press it one time with your left button of the mouse. So now the Excel is coming, maximize it. I'm clicking blank workbook. So here I'm going to give some information, that is I'm going to write name, telephone, home address. So here you can see the column doesn't have that width, so we are going to increase the width of this column. I hope you guys have studied this in the previous chapter when we have studied Microsoft Excel. So next one is email address. Email address. So here we are facing the same problem. So increasing the width. Okay. And the next one is birthday. And the next one is hobby. So I have included everything here. Now I have to write. Okay. Next one is I have to here you can see in step 2. So here open the empty spreadsheet, type the database field names horizontally in different cells. So we have written that. Select the whole row by clicking the row number. So I'm going to do that one. Here I'm going to select this by pressing the row number. First row, I'm going to select the whole row. Then here this is the bold button. See, B for bold. So I'm going to press this one. So you can see all the name is being highlighted. I mean, it is bold, so it will be a highlight. Yeah. So that is the next step. Click the bold button to make the title stand out. Now add one record for each of our friends. Every record must have information about 6 different fields. So these are the 6 different fields and we have to write the names. So I'm going to write like Stella. In the next one I'm going to write the phone number. Okay, so you can still see. Okay, yeah. Home address, I'm going to write Stella's home address, Central Avenue. If you don't know the address, it's okay. So I have to make it, the bit must be more. Email address, I'm going to write the email address, stella@gmail.com. If you don't have an email address, just delete this column. It's okay. It is completely okay. 23 June. Hobbies, reading. That's it. So this is how we write. This is the first record. This one is the first record that we have done. And there are 6 fields. Okay. This is the first record. So like this I'm going to write some other informations about my friend. So here I have already prepared it for you guys. Here this one is blue, don't mind it, it is normal. Okay, it is not at all a problem. It is okay. So here we have Stella, Tom, Kim, Marco, Lisa, Alex. So we have all these names and I have provided the telephone numbers, home address, email address, birthday and hobby. Okay, so I want you guys to do the same with your friends. You know your friend's phone number, home address. So if you don't know any of these, you can delete it. It's okay. You don't have to do the telephone number or the email address. You can just omit it. It is completely optional. So this is how you add one record for each of the friends. Okay, so this is it. This is the first task. So this is the first task that you have to do. So now we have done the database table. This is the database table that we have created. This is the database table. That's it. So this is the first task. Now we are moving on to the second activity or second task, that is, now that your database information is ready, format it with the style of your choice. We have to format it with the style of our choice. So I will tell you how it is being done. There are a few steps for that. To style database table, select the whole table that you have typed. On the home tab in the styles group, click format as table. Select a style you like. In the create table window, select my table has headers. Click OK. Your table has a new style and the program knows that the titles are field headers. So I will show you how it is being done in Excel. So here we have our database table that we have created. Now I have to select the whole table. I am selecting the whole table just like what you did in a graph. Okay, select the whole table. Go to home tab And in home tab you can see styles group. These are groups that is written underneath. These are the groups, and here format as table. Press this small arrow mark, so you can see there are so many styles of tables, and you can click whatever style that you want. So here I am going to press this one. In the dark section I am going to press this orange one, or sorry, brown one. So I got a new window, format as table. So here don't do anything for this one. If this tick mark is not here, I want you guys to put a tick mark here. My table has header, so there should be a tick mark. Just press it and there will be a tick mark. So tick it and press OK. So now you can see you have done style to your table. Yeah. So this is how you are going to do the styling for the table. So first thing, you have to select everything, go to home, go to styles, format as table, select any one of it, and in the next option you have to put that tick mark. Okay, is that clear? So these are the two activities that we have already done it, we are doing it, and I want you guys to do the same. Okay, so here to style the database table, we have done all these, we have done all the steps, and we got the style for the database table. So in today's class we have created a database table, and we have given some style to the database table. Okay, so I want you guys to do the same as assignment for today. I want you guys to write the name of your friends, provide the information, make a database table, and then give a style to it. Whatever style you want, you can give it, and then take a picture and send it to me as a message. Okay, goodbye, take care.